Hi, my name is Ritu. I'm a yoga and wellness instructor. So today's topic is vagus nerve and how we can activate the vagus nerve with the simple techniques. हमारा ह्यूमन बॉडी बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, डाइजेशन हो रहा है, हार्ट बीट हो रहा है एंड ऑल्सो बॉडी में टेम्परेचर रेगुलेट हो रहा है. All these functions are going on automatically with the support of autonomous nervous system. Now, this autonomous nervous system has two components, sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. What is the sympathetic nervous system? Which is responsible for fight and flight. Suppose कोई situation है and we have to run, yeah, then we'll flight या फिर we'll be fighting with the situation. पहले के ज़माने में जब हम हंटर बियरर्स थे तब एनिमल का या तो शिकार बनते थे या एनिमल को शिकार करते थे. एंड इन टुडेज एरा लाइक वी आर डीलिंग विद एवरीडे स्ट्रेस, राइट, थ्रेड्स एंड स्ट्रेस. सो दिस सिस्टम इज वर्किंग कंटिन्यूअसली विदाउट अ स्टॉप, एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्लीप एज वेल प्रॉपरली. इसके ऑपोजिट एक सर्किट काम करता है जिसका नाम है पैरासिम्पथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम एंड विच इज रेस्ट एंड डाइजेस्ट मोड. And this vagus nerve is a part of this parasympathetic nervous system. Vagus का मतलब होता है wanderer. So this vagus nerve is actually wandering from the brain to the toe. Yeah. And also this is sensing all the systems all the time. What is this system doing, that system doing? Yeah, it is giving us the information. Now this we can easily tune into activation of this vagus nerve. It is said incoming breath energizes the body and outgoing breath relaxes the body. This incoming breath is a part of sympathetic nervous system and this outgoing breath is a part of parasympathetic nervous system. Let's say we have to lift something. So we really need this incoming breath, inhale, and we have to keep it, we'll be exhaling at that time. So today we'll be learning 5 techniques. Let's see what are these techniques. So the first one is straw breath. We are breathing with both our nostrils and we are breathing out with a minuscule opening with the lips and exhaling more. This will help us to activate the vagus nerve. Let's practice it together. Breathe in. And relax. The second technique is blowing. As if you're blowing the candle with your own pace, you blow the candle. And relax. The third technique is the vagus nerve runs from behind the ear. So what we'll do with the first 2 fingers, we'll just run it behind the ear on both the sides. Yes, slowly and relax. The fourth technique is yawning. You have to actually fake a yawn. If you do this faking of yawn before sleeping, actually you will get a good sleep also because it will activate the parasympathetic nervous system. The last technique is humming bee sound with chewing. We don't have to do the traditional humming bee, but we will be doing the sound together with the chewing. How we are going to do? See. And relax. Practice these 5 techniques and you will see the results. Apart from that, you can actually practice yoga, meditation. If you can dip your face in the ice cold water, this will actually help you. Sudarshan Kriya, On this International Day of Yoga, 21st June, the theme is Yoga for Healthy Aging. So practice this 5 vagus nerve activation, and actually you will feel the reverse aging. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.